Anger if not guarded can possess, consume, and ultimately destroy a person. How often have we seen or heard of someone who ruined his life because of a rash act or statement made in a fit of rage? So be careful before you unleash words or actions which may cause deep regret. You may think it was a small act of kindness. But the Almighty does not forget the good you do, the pain you relieved in someone else. Nothing escapes Him, not even a speck of goodness done for His sake. Keep doing good even if you don't get it back. He loves what you do. Pleasing people is almost impossible. Don't waste time over this. Each one will have an opinion of us. We may appear proud, mean or even hateable to some, yet to others, we are kind, awesome and outstanding. That's just how it is. Focus instead on pleasing the Almighty. Almighty, on this blessed day, remove worldliness from our hearts and envy of what others have. Help us to be grateful and not to attach our hearts to more material things. Protect us from the tricks of Satan, who will keep luring us to the pleasures and desires of this world. No matter what's happening to you, there's always hope. You've got to believe that. Choose hope over despair. Remember, nothing lasts. So cling on to the hope that things will change for the better. And that change will come soon. Breaking a promise is a serious sin. It's a sin that sows the seed of hypocrisy in the heart of the one who commits it. Some are in the habit of doing this often. Don't take it lightly. They'll be raised with the hypocrites on the day of judgment. There'll be hardship and struggle just like there's happiness and ease. It's the nature of this life. Don't let the difficult times consume you. Try to focus on the good things in life. It helps you to appreciate what you have. Above all, protect your heart and your soul. Always ask the Almighty to soften our hearts. May we have compassion for those who suffer in unimaginable ways. Learn to pray passionately for them as we do for ourselves and our loved ones. And above all, may our souls remain humble. Hopelessness is a great sin. It's often the result of ignorance of the greatness of the Almighty. One should never give in to despair. Even in the worst-case scenario, there's a glimmer of hope in the heart. Remember His infinite mercy, He will never turn anyone away. As humans, we tend to compare. Don't think of others who seem to have a better life. The trouble is we see perfect images everywhere today. We wonder why we don't have the same. Don't fall into that trap. Thank the Almighty for all that you've been blessed with.